If on your Nintendo Switch 2 you experience the 281170001 error code, in order to solve this issue you have three main methods. The first method is to go to System Settings, over here open Internet Settings, and what you can do is restart your connection with your Wi-Fi. So what you want to do is open the network that you are connected to. You want to select it over here, and then you want to clear the setting in order to connect to your Wi-Fi again. If that is not working, if it doesn't help, if you have another Wi-Fi connection that you can use, then connect to the other connection to another Wi-Fi. However, if other Wi-Fi is not an option for you, you can simply restart your Nintendo Switch 2. So what you're gonna do is you want to press and hold the power button over here. You want to press it and hold it for a couple of seconds until you see this power menu over here. In this case, we need to go to power options and then choose restart. After that, once your console restarts, the issue should be solved. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.